Hi friends, this is Nagashu. Welcome to my channel ITbird143 and you're watching HTML tutorials. In my previous tutorial, I have created a simple web page using HTML. In this tutorial, I want to add line breaks, spacing and comments in the web page. In my sample web page, I want to add some space between both the header files. For that, come to Notepad and enter some space. After that, save this file. Close the browser. Again, open this. Here we didn't get any space between these two sections. Again, come to the notepad. Here, for adding the space, we have a special command. Please type break. And please remember that line breaks don't need closing tags. After that, please save this file. Close this. Again, open the HTML file. And here we got the space between both the header sections. Again, come to the notepad. Here I want to add comment section which helps us to add some note in the HTML code for our reference, and this will not be displayed in the web page. For that, please type less than and exclamatory sign double hyphen. This code is for second header section, and after that please type double hyphen and enter greater than sign. Please save this file. Again, open the HTML file, and here it will not display the comment section. Again, come to the notepad. If we remove the exclamatory sign, then close this. Again, open it. It will show the text in the comment section. So to avoid this, we must add exclamatory sign. Similarly, for adding additional space in between the text, for example, here I am typing ITbird143, ITbird143, and I want to add some space between these two texts. Now save this file. Again, close this, open the HTML file. But here we didn't get the space between both the text. For adding space between the text, we need to enter %NBSP. Again, %NBSP. You can enter this depending on the how much space you want to add between the text. After that, come to file and save this. Again, close the browser, open the HTML file. Now we got the space between both the text. Like this, we can add line break, spacing and comment section in our HTML web page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.